There's a powerful tool you can use in Microsoft PowerPoint to link to other presentations, to URLs, or other types of documents while you're actually in presentation mode of a presentation. So the way you do that is to go to any slide and click on an object. So let's say that while I'm talking about effective communication and I'm talking about word choice and inflection, somebody really wants to get into a conversation about public speaking. And I happen to have a whole presentation that's all about public speaking. It's clear my audience wants to move towards public speaking, so maybe I'm going to shift on a dime and shift to that other presentation without them really knowing it. What I've done here is this PowerPoint background has some design elements in it. You'll notice these little dots. And what I've done is I've drawn a dot. I've just gone into insert a shape, and I've just drawn a circle and placed it over the top of that. So I'll have an object that I can click on when I get to this point of my presentation. Maybe this has happened to me in the past and I want to make sure that I'm providing maybe detailed information about something or being able to shift without causing too much of a kerfuffle during my presentation. What I do to do this is I click on the object and then I go to, on the Insert tab under Links, I'm going to go to Action. From here, what I'm going to do is when I click on this little icon during the presentation, I want to hyperlink to, I'm going to click on my down arrow here, and you'll notice I've got some options. Maybe the building's on fire and I want to go to the end of the show. What I really want to do, though, is go to another PowerPoint presentation. It drops me into my document library, and from here I can scroll around and find the one that I want to go to. So I'm going to go to my professional development class. Maybe I want to go to presentation skills. And I'm going to go to Heritage Presentation Skills. And you notice I'm going to come in here and I can say, what is my goal? I can go in and pick which ones of these I want to do. So I'm going to click OK. And actually, I'm going to pick which other slide I want to go to. I'm going to click OK. Now, this doesn't seem like it does very much until you're actually in the presentation. So if I go into slideshow and I start from the current slide, we're not going to go through all of them. While I'm talking, yada, 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 somebody says to me, wow, I really want to talk about effective communication. I really want to talk more about public speaking, though. If I click on my little button here, it automatically brings me into my presentation that is about presentation skills. So you'll notice I'm in an entirely different presentation. As I click to advance the slides, you'll notice that it's moving me through this presentation. Now when I hit escape, it takes me back to the original presentation. I did all of this, I'm going to press escape, by clicking on an object and on the Insert tab, going to the Action Setting button. I'm going to hyperlink to, I pick to hype to another PowerPoint presentation. I tell it which presentation and which slide, and I click OK.